Hey friends, very good evening. So my name is Lucky Soni here, and today we are going to perform the task which is assigned by Tausif Shah to us, and it's a 7-day discipline challenge. As part of this challenge, they have asked us you have to share your key learning, what you have got as part of your life. I thought of why not to share the key learning which I got as part of life transformation. See guys, we have spent near to 42 days. As part of those 42 days, we learn a lot. What exactly we learn, how exactly the key learning are going to help us, and what exactly our life was there before the life transformation journey and right now. So this is one kind of ideology you will get ki how exactly I have improved my life from the 40 days of life transformation. First of all, I would like to let you know one of the master stroke has been played by Tausif Sasur today. Like he simply told to us, "Hey guys, please just work out on your video skills where you need to record the video which you have learned in your life." Okay, how exactly it become the master stroke? See, once we got the task, like you have to read the book, you have to and get the key learning from the book, then only you can have a video. Okay, so what exactly we was doing? We was trying to record the videos. Okay, so for that, what I was focusing on the content. While you was focusing for the content, definitely you may take huge amount of time to prepare such kind of video. But here we need to share our life learning and generally kind of information. How exactly this transformation help us, and how exactly we have got some good learning as part of this journey. So yeah, it may not require any kind of like to read the book, to go through the book, to prepare the content, and based on the content prepare the video. So yeah, this is the master stroke. Like he would like to let us know how much you're capable enough and how much exactly you can implement those learning as part of your life. The first key learning is punctual. See, guys, I was never punctual in my life, even in the school days, even in college days, even in my job itself. I was never punctual. Punctuality means, see, my school is possibly morning 7 o'clock. I am going by 7:30. Possibly my college is by 11 o'clock. I am going by 11:30. Even in my production deployment also, I was going 30 minutes late. Even does not matter. It's a how much critical requirement was there, how much critical deployments were going on also there. But I was never punctual in my life. But as part of the life transformation, I was punctually trying to attend the Facebook sessions, online session, which was on night 10 o'clock, and the morning session like 10:05:15. This is indicating that how exactly the punctuality came into my life and how exactly I become punctual in my life. Okay. Now come to the second best life learning is about the memories. Okay, what kind of memories? See, once I attended the Facebook sessions, I forgot lots of struggle which I have faced as part of my life, like before the job, in the my college days, in my professional life. I forgot about all those memories. See, even all kept lots of efforts in my life. I've struggled a lot, but I forgot my struggle. If you will forget your struggle, definitely you cannot be very confident enough in your future, upcoming future. So once you will forget your struggle, now definitely you will not understand the value of what you have achieved in your life. So for understanding the value what you have achieved in your life, you have to remember your struggle. Based on your struggle only, you have kept came to this place only. Okay, and you know if you have worked that much hard, if you are in this place, definitely you can work more hard and you can go to the next level. Okay, so this is the one of the biggest key learning I can say. You have to key remember your memories, your struggle, and based on that only you have to target your goals and you can achieve them in your life because you have achieved something in your life. That's why you are in this position right now. Guys, I never thought of my life experience will help someone else. Okay, I was simply thinking okay, my life experience will be helpful for me only and this will help me for my career itself. But now with the help of life transformation, I realized that my life experience can also be help the people who would like to get learning from my experience and even they can implement it. Means you have heard this kind of sentence like it's not mandatory for everyone to do the mistake and learn from their mistake. You don't have that much big life to do all the mistake. You have to learn from other experience. So this is the best thing I realized as part of the this transformation, and I'm also able to share my experience. Even I'm learning from other people's experience. This is the one of the biggest advantage which I can say I got as part of life transformation. Even as part of my previous session which I have gone for the Instagram live, even I came for the weekend live sessions. Okay, in that case also means I have clearly mentioned, like, I was aware about the lifestyle of the highly successful peoples. I was aware about how exactly those are taking the action, what kind of exercise they are following. Even each and every person, like if I will talk about this, I know about the Mark Zuckerberg, how exactly he woke up early morning and go for the walk. How exactly he's living his life, how exactly he kept lots of efforts, how activist he was, how exactly he have taken the action. Even the people who was thinking to take the action, who was thinking about the idea, but he implemented the idea. See, I was aware about all those stuffs, but the all those thoughts was not converting into the action. But now, with the help of this life transformation, I am able to see, I'm able to convert my thoughts into the action. This biggest what to say, the lifestyle also involve the reading of the book. See, the people are taking the holiday, and even those holidays they are trying to spend their 80% from trying to get learning from the book. So book is one kind of summary which people have observed in their life, and they summarized it in form of book. See, I already told you, you cannot do that much mistake, and from those mistakes you can learn. So the book are the such kind of summary where you can learn from other people experience, and how exactly you can implement those learning in your life, and you can become successful. Even the one of the biggest thing is goal achievement. I was always thinking of, okay, I will switch my company, I will do the pranayam, I will be become, I will try to become fit. All those things I have thought of, but I have never have a goal. I was never having the timeline. But as part of life transformation, I got the four pillars where I will first of all focus on my personal life, I can focus on my financial goals, I can focus on my fun activity, I can focus on the contribution. And some of the pillars is like, okay, I have never worked on them, like the contribution pillar, I have never worked on that. But now my first priority to contribute the peoples. You may not believe that it is helping me out. On top of that, affirmation also I discussed about the affirmation, that is also helping me out. I was always having the complaint about my life, but due to those affirmations, due to those gratitude, I achieved lots of things in my life as part of the life transformation. If we talk about the morning routine, see, I was always thought of when I was in my college days or school days, I should wake up early in the morning, I should read these things, I need to complete this particular kind of task. But what was happening, I was not waking up on time, and I was also always on a regret, and I was always complaining with myself why I am not able to follow all those things what I am deciding on a daily basis. But now the situation is like, I'm able to do those things. How exactly I'm able to do this? So how exactly I am able to do those things? See, I am waking up on time. I am not thinking about the regret. I am just saying, okay, that's fine. If it's not happened for today, possibly it is going to be happen tomorrow. I am believing this universe is going to help me out, and with the help of this universe, with the help of this energy of the universe, I will have the energy in my body, in my mind, and I will try to achieve it, and I will never be in regret. I will try to do the hard work. Once you will be able to apply your hard work, definitely it will pay you off, and you can convert your hard work into the smart work. So guys, first of all, you have to change your mindset, because the mindset which was the regret kind of mindset will never help you out. You have to be the mindset which will help you out to find out the new opportunities, find out the new way to do the things. Okay, if something is not working in your life now, you have to change your plan, never change your goal. Okay, so that you need to understand, that kind of mindset you need to implement your life. Never go for the great kind of stuff, better to focus on the new mindset, new plans, how exactly you can achieve those things as part of your life. And I have achieved some of the things which I have ever thought of, but I have never did it. One of my friend was suggesting me go for meditation from last 1 year. I have never did it. One of my friend was suggesting me, or my younger brother was suggesting me, put your training sessions or lecture over the YouTube. I have never did it, but as part of this life transformation, I achieved a lot. I just overcame from my fear, and I definitely doing the stuff which I have never did in my life. I gone through some new experience which I have never did in my life. I've never woke up on time. Was never on consistent on anything. Means I can do the work for 2 or 3 days, but I cannot do go beyond for that kind of same kind of thing which is running in my life, because I'm getting bored from those stuff. But I need to identify everything is important in my life. Like I told you, like we have a one pillar of the fun. That fun kind of pillar will help you out to focus on your regular basis life. Even it will help you out to go for long run. You can overcome from your frustration, stress, and you can refresh your life. Even I have never did the planning in a better way. See, you may heard about one quote from the Warren Buffett: an idiot can win with a plan, and the genius can fail without a plan. So see, this is the power of a plan. You have to do the planning in a better way, and we need to focus what exactly are the priorities in our life. Based on the priorities only, we have to take the action, and we need to apply them in our life. So what exactly the key learning we got as part of all this discussion? See, we was losing our confidence due to we was unable to follow any one of them. Now we are achieving things slowly. We are taking the baby steps. So what is happening? If we are achieving something slowly, our self belief is helping us to means we are contributing something to our self belief. We are getting more self confidence. This is the one of the biggest key learning. You are able to build your self belief. That well self belief will help you to achieve the stuffs in a very long goal. You should have a consistency. You also have heard about the punctuality, which I have talked about. Okay, so the what exactly the consistency can help in your life. See, you may heard about one doha: करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मति जात सुजान रस्ती आवत जात ते शिल पे परत निशान. The sense of this particular sentence is like, if that rope which is going through one, what to say, in Hindi it's a patthar, or in English it's a rock. It's that particular rope is going through that particular same area or same point of contact where that rope is going again and again. See, that rope don't having that much power to make any kind of mark over the rock, but now it was happen a couple of times. Even it's happened for 6 months, for a 1 year, and that rope was able to have the mark over that rock. So this is the power of consistency. So guys, you this kind of life transformation is going to help you out to build three major key learnings, which I can say: the punctuality, I can say the consistency, and the self belief. Thank you so much, guys. We have made one plan how exactly the 7 days challenging that seven challenge means that discipline principle. 7 days discipline challenge. How exactly we are going to make the videos, what exactly we are going to share our key learnings. Guys, we have made a very good plan, and we are going to execute accordingly. And as of now, as part of the first video, we have decided to keep our 42 days of January key learning as part of life transformation. This will help us guide how exactly we got the learning from those sessions, and how exactly we implemented our lives, and how exactly we are going to change within 7 days of time. So thank you so much, guys. We will meet you again. Thanks a lot for watching my videos.